Hello everybody. So today we are gonna look at the how to install the mobile FSF. So which is the automating uh, tool for analyzing the APK file. So I have freshly installed this VM for this particular reason. So let's open our terminal. We need a Docker, or we can just check Docker sudo apt install. That's one docker.io. So we could not find the Docker. So first of all, we need to make repo for this, and in order to do that, right? So we need to curl this, and now it has been updated. Then sudo apt update. Let's update it. So today we are gonna look at this tool. So this is mobile security framework. So you can see it's for mobile application, so research for Android, iOS. So and it can be used as so we are using for this analysis as well as the pen testing. So we can it support the both a dynamic as well as the static binary app, like it can take APK, IPA. So it depends upon the Android or the iPhone one, right? Then we have the live server one, so you can try it out. So this is only the static one. So in order to have all the dynamic analysis, we need to install it. So that's what we are gonna do. Now we have successfully updated it, right? So we can do sudo apt install. So okay, now we have successfully installed the Docker 2. So now we need to enable this sudo system ctl, then dash enable the Docker. Let's do now. So that should enable the Docker. Then we can use sudo user mode uh, add to group Docker. uh, so let's use user. Now it has been successfully added to the group. That's gonna be right here, Docker will open security. So we just do this. So now it has been installing there, right? So we can download the APK file for testing too. So what we can do to download is, so let's go on our download folder. Let's extract here. Then apk. So we have this file. So let's go over here, and one last more image is left to pull. Okay, now it has been installed. Then let's use this command. Let's do sudo. So you might be wondering from where I'm using the command. So command is written on the documentation. So we have the quick setup, right? So it's right over here. Then what we can do is just do enter. So now we are running the mob sf. So we have the link. So we can do control and click it. So now we are opening the interface mob sf. So sign in. So our default would be mob sf. So mob sf. So let's sign in. Let's do don't save. So here we can do upload and analysis, and we have on the download, right? So we have this file, a folder, and we have Diva application. So whenever you find any APK file online that is modded or do so, if you want to analyze that kind of file also, you can use this uh, tool to just analyze it. So it checks everything. So we have the file, right? So we have the security score 36 out of 100, which is very bad. And we have the size, right, 1.43. So if we go down right over here, so we have the 17 activities. We have 0 service receiver, 1 provider activities, right? So we can also see the compile code. So this is for the XML. So we have the source code. We can just look it like this, and manifest file. And we have the Java one. So we have the Android. So we have the this one. So you can see this is very much simple to just analyze the code. This is very useful. So next one is Smiley. So this code is a little bit harder to understand, but you can download the code. You can both code, Smiley and the Java code. We have the signature. We can also check the permission. So we have, as you can see, read write. So we can allow this. So you can go on more detail. So we have the APIs. So we can, you can see so we have two one. So this gives us uh brief overview. So you can see we have the issue. So you can search manually also, but this tool will help you to just save more time and find more bugs. So this is how it looks. So we did static analysis, right? So that's just how it works. uh I hope this might be a helpful tool. So thank you guys.